Hi there. Welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to use the auto lock screen feature on the iPhone 13 Pro. First, go to the Settings app, then go down to Display and Brightness, and then at the bottom here you can see auto lock. Right now I have it set to never because I'm shooting these videos and I want my screen to stay on the entire time. If you want it to auto lock quickly, you can set to 30 seconds. Usually when I'm not making videos like this, I have mine set to 2 minutes. I'm going to put it back on never because I don't want my phone to lock while I'm shooting these videos. And that's it. That is how you set the auto lock feature on the iPhone 13 Pro.